We're going to look at Oracle here on the weekly chart, just a huge breakout in here for the past 2 weeks. We figured we get a little bit of consolidation up here this past week with some indecision. That's kind of exactly what happened in here. But as far as touch points on the weekly, not really a whole lot of data to go off with. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the past few highs and lows of these past few weeks, and that's going to be our points that we're looking at in going forward until this chart dictates something to us otherwise. So what we're looking at in here as far as our resistance, 319 and 345, that's going to be our first two levels of our main resistance that we're looking at. Anything below the 300 level that we're currently trading above, we're looking at 292. Then we're looking at that 277. That's going to be the top of our upper trend line. It was our previous resistance. That's going to be now our second support that we're looking at, which is right around that 270-ish area. And then below there, you're looking right here at that 260 or that 9-day EMA, whichever one of those are going to come first. But right now, that 260 mark is what we're kind of tracking for our next support down below there. It was kind of a question mark going into the week. Is the $300 level going to hold in here? I know there's a lot of volatility that overall volatility did increase along with the volume and things like that. So a lot more liquidity in here, a lot more volatility. And the question was $300, is it going to hold? It looks like we ended up breaching on some strong volume on Friday, and we held in here 308. So we're about $8 above that 300 handle. So we're looking at a $12 move that we had on Friday from Thursday's close. So overall, decent volume in there on a nice close. So it looks like the 300 should hold. Then we're going to be going up to that 320. But if not, again, that 300 gets breached, then we're looking at that 292 level. So we're going to see what happens as we open up the new week in here in Oracle. 300 is going to be key. 292 on the downside. Anything upside, we're looking at 319 and then 345. So we'll see what happens in here in Oracle. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.